So, meiosis, as I already told you that the stages of meiosis is not important and it's not mentioned in your syllabus. But there are few things which we have to study in the meiosis, that is crossing over, chiasmata and the significance of meiosis. During the fertilization and the formation of zygote, n number of chromosomes comes from the paternal part, while 23 number of chromosomes comes from the maternal part, and they join together to form the 12 number of chromosomes to form the zygote. Here I have shown the crossing over. Crossing over means it is a phase in meiosis in which the paternal chromosomes and the maternal chromosomes get mixed up at a particular point, and they result into the genetic change. Significance of meiosis is the chromosome number is halved. The chromosome number gets halved, and it provides a mixing up of the genes. Now let's talk about the difference between the mitosis and the meiosis. As I already talked that mitosis takes place in the somatic cells or the body cells. Meiosis takes place in the reproductive cells. Mitosis, 2 number of daughter cells are produced, while in meiosis 4 number of daughter cells are produced. In mitosis, full set of chromosomes are passed to the daughter cells, while in meiosis only half number of chromosomes are passed to the daughter cells. Now we'll talk about the cell cycle. Children, you can refer it to your book also for the cell cycle. See, in the growth phase, that is the G1 phase, the RNA and proteins are synthesized. The volume of the cytoplasm increases, mitochondria, chloroplast, this all starts to divide, and later in this G1 phase they may either withdraw from the cell cycle or enter into the rest phase where they are preparing themselves for the division. Next one comes the synthesis phase, that is known as the S phase, and more number of DNA is synthesized in this phase and the chromosome number gets duplicated. The last stage is the second growth phase, that is also known as the G2 phase. In this, the RNA and proteins continue to be synthesized and they goes for the cell division, either the mitosis or the meiosis, and then again they return back to the G1 phase. So this was all about the cell cycle and cell division. I'll forward you all the notes soon.